How long does it take to update my iPad to iOS 11?
Hello, and welcome to this guide. We're here to help you update your iPad to iOS 11. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it take to update my iPad to iOS 11? Well, the answer can vary based on a few factors.
What factors determine the update time?
The time it takes to update your iPad to iOS 11 can depend on several factors. Your current iOS version. If you're far behind in updates, the process might take longer. Your internet connection speed. The faster your internet, the less time the download will take. The specific iPad model. Older models might take longer to update than newer ones. The amount of data on your iPad. More data could result in a longer update process.
How long does it usually take?
While the exact time can vary, updating your iPad to iOS 11 typically takes about 30 minutes to an hour. This includes both downloading the update and installing it on your device. Remember, it's important to ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery or is connected to a charger before you begin the update process to prevent any disruptions.
How do I update my iPad to iOS 11?
Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to update your iPad. 1. Back up your iPad. You should always back up your device before updating to prevent data loss. This can be done through iCloud or your computer. 2. Check for the update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If the iOS 11 update is available for your iPad, it will show up here. 3. Download and install the update. Tap Download and Install. Your iPad will begin downloading the update, after which it will automatically install it. That's it. While the exact time it takes to update your iPad to iOS 11 can vary, you should generally expect it to take about 30 minutes to an hour. Don't forget to ensure your device has enough battery and is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network before you start the update process. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.